Good morning, friends. Today is our first entry. I am having a birthday giveaway challenge. It's for an ATC, and a postcard. And this is all the details for my birthday. And yesterday was my birthday, and I'm really excited to kick this off. I know it's over, but it's still a birthday month. So thank you if you're entering, and we'll be having some entries coming soon. I have the first one. I did have this a couple days ago. I was going to open it yesterday on my birthday, but we got a little busy, so I didn't. The first one is coming from, I believe, I don't know if it's Kelly or Kelsey Jones. I apologize. I'm hoping I can read it a little more clearly inside. And she's got this beautiful butterfly on here. Thank you so much. And look at this. I didn't realize they were doing this. Freedom, does it say Freedom 250 for our 250 United States birthday. That's kind of awesome. Let's open this up and see what she has sent. I need a letter opener. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Today is Monday. It's the start of a new week. And I'm kind of looking forward to it. You guys, tell me about the angle on my camera. I got my new stand, and I think this is going to work great. I can get in closer. The angle's a little bit more straight on. I am going to move it to a different spot on my desk because this is a little inconvenient. But I think we should be able to get a better picture. Oh, this is darling. Look how cute that ATC is. I'm gonna read her note real quick. It says, "Happy birthday, Tanya. I'm sending you an ATC and a local postcard of the first president of Texas. His statue is about 15 minutes from my house. There's some trivia facts. Thank you. I hope you have an amazing response to your contest and exceed your expectations. You're from Kelsey. I think that's Kelsey. Junk Journal Magic with Kelsey Jones. I will be definitely looking her up. You guys do it too. Junk Journal Magic with Kelsey Jones. Let's check her out. I'll go ahead and link her in the description box if I can find her information. There it is. That's so cool. Certificate of Courage. No, a tribute. I'm sorry, I cannot read. A tribute of courage is what it says right here. By David. I can't read it. I probably could. My eyes are still waking up. That is cool. I didn't know there was a Huntsville in Texas. I know there was one in Alabama too. Pure Texas. That's cool. All right, so most beautiful. Look how pretty this is. Look, she's stitched around the outside. And her stitching is perfect. This is a textured paper. What a great use of that textured paper. That's awesome. I love that. It looks like a sandy beach or something. I've got a brick, like a brick wall, and then like mountains in the background. And look, she used this Christmas paper, but it didn't even look like Christmas to me when I opened it. It's so pretty. I love that. And it says most beautiful. And it looks like she may have, I don't know if she drew this wonky house or if this was on paper, but it's really cute. And she's got some silver splattery dots on there. Can you see the metallic? Pretty use of her papers and collaging. Love that. Love that, Kelsey. And I think this is maybe her birthday? No. I think she made this. It says 3/4 coastal home. And that is, that's so cute. Thank you so much for that. And for your postcard. I can't wait to put those in my collection. I save all the ATC cards, guys. I've saved every single one I've ever gotten. So let's get out our map. Our first entry is from Texas. And I get to fill in that big old spot in Texas. What? And I believe I have chalk in here. If not, I'm going to have to go get some. But I believe I do. And I should have gotten that out earlier, but I kind of forgot that I was doing this. But I keep looking at that map thinking, oh, let's fill that in. That's going to be so fun. Where do those pastels go? What? Kelsey. As if it's your fault I can't find my chalk. All right, I'm gonna have, oh, I found it. After the move, everything lives in a different space. So, Kelsey, since you did a coastal blue kind of thing, let's use these pastels. I think these will work on there. I'm hoping so. Let's use a blue on there. Let's use a really pretty blue. I like this one. Okay, let's see if this will work. And it will. So let's color in Texas. We've got our first state. Now, I didn't mention it to you guys for the contest for this challenge. It doesn't matter if somebody from that state already sent something in. Please still send stuff in. What we'll do is we will get, oh, that would be fun. We will get a, we'll do like which state gets the most. And what I'll do is, oh, I'm going to have to do a spreadsheet. I just know it, to keep track. What I'll do is whatever state has the most entries, the people from that state will be put into a separate drawing. Oh, that's going to be so fun. And then I will send out a crafty package to the winner of that one. So that would be another way we could do this challenge. Doesn't that sound fun? All right, we've got Texas. Go big or go home, right? All right, thank you so much, Kelsey, for your entry. That state's looking good. We've got one from Texas. I'm gonna have to go run by the mailbox today and see what's going on in there, because I have a feeling there's a couple more. I know I was expecting, somebody told me it should be here. Their entry should be here by today, so I need to go by there and drop off some packages anyway. So Kelsey, thank you so much from the state of Texas. I really appreciate your entry, and most of all, I just appreciate your friendship and being here with me through this journey. Thank you. I hope you guys all have a fantastic day. Check out the link in the description box if you're interested in joining and need more details. The information will all be there. Have a great day, guys. We'll see you in the next one.